California Telehealth Network, also known as the CTN, is California's statewide broadband network dedicated to the delivery of health care. The focus is on rural and medically underserved areas of the state.
It's a dedicated T1. Basically means that we get a full 1.5 bandwidth, which is absolutely necessary for the video and the audio quality can remain stable for the doctors.
CTN is really a very cost-effective solution for broadband, and it's a HIPAA compliant, guaranteed quality of service system, which is an outstanding deal, particularly for rural and underserved communities.
We heard about CTN and then started looking into it, and it was a really good fit to kind of increase our connection speeds and enable us to go further electronic with all of our imaging and charting.
We can utilize not only our electronic medical record, but our practice management system, our billing services, and now our telehealth services also.
You might think that telemedicine is meant for rural areas, but it's very important in an urban area as well. Transportation in LA is a nightmare.
There's a long wait time for the county to see uninsured patients. There's probably a 1-year wait time.
Through the CTN we have access to specialists in UC medical schools. So this enables us to use technology to get patients seen by a specialist in a much shorter time.
When they leave the room, they know the treatment plan the doctor has for them. So they're satisfied. They're really satisfied when they leave.
An older patient that I'd been working with, and she was a little leery about this whole system. By the end of her first visit, though, she was telling me when she got out, she said, "Yeah, I went to the door and I just didn't know why that sweet young man wouldn't help me with the door." Oh yeah, he's on television. They warm up to it very quickly. We are the smallest licensed hospital in California. To be able to have an answer when we identify a need in the community, there's a possibility now that we can actually bring the service to the patients. It's a bridge for us.
We like technology and we like to be in the forefront of technology, and we know that collaborating with other health systems, it's going to be easier to exchange information.
Virtually any need that arises is going to be accessible through telemedicine.
It's the whole community you got to look at. You know, it's not just waiting till people get sick and go to the hospital, but you really need to have healthy lifestyles in the community. And so one of the things we're starting to do is involve schools, involve libraries, but they've got to be connected to other resources by broadband. That's why CTN is so important.
CTN is transforming the delivery of healthcare in California. When you connect to the CTN, you connect to the future of healthcare delivery in California. For more information on becoming a CTN member, go to www.caltelehealth.org or call 916-341-3371.